Chelsea, and I'm an educator with SPRE. SPRE stands for South Platte River Environmental Education, and we host field trips and day camps and events for kids across the Denver area, just like you. Today, we're going to be doing an experiment that you can do in your home called a do-it-yourself water filter.
Before we begin our experiment, start by gathering your materials. You'll need a jug with the bottom removed, cloth or coffee filter, a rubber band, charcoal powder if you have it, grass clippings, dirt, sand, gravel, and lastly, some polluted water.
Did you know that the average American family uses 300 gallons of water a day? From cooking to drinking to watering plants, access to clean and healthy water matters to all of us. Much of the water that comes to our homes has been filtered through water treatment plants through our city that make it safe to drink. But did you know that much of the water in our rivers, like the South Platte, comes from the ground? The layers of our ground act as a natural water filtration system. In this experiment, we're going to be building our own water filtration system to see how the earth filters its groundwater. Just a heads up, the water that we're going to produce is not safe to drink, so we're just going to be studying it like scientists, not drinking it. The first thing that we need to do is gather all of our materials. You can head out to your backyard or walk around your neighborhood like I did to find all of the materials that we listed at the beginning of this video. After you have your materials gathered, go ahead and cut the bottom off of your milk jug, just like this. And take your cloth and using the rubber band, you're going to securely attach it to the opening of your jug. Like this. Now that we have our cloth attached to the bottom of our milk jug, it's time to start building our filter. The first thing we're going to do is add our charcoal. I took this charcoal from our fire pit and I ground that up. But if you don't have charcoal, that is totally okay. We can still understand how our water filters through our ground.
After we've layered in our charcoal, we'll continue to add layers. Start with a 1-inch base of dirt, then add in your sand, press in a layer of grass, and finish with a layer of gravel. These different layers simulate the layers of our groundwater system that help filter out pollutants and other debris as our water makes its way from rain into the ground and then into our river. Water also enters our urban river systems through storm drains. Unlike our natural groundwater systems, concrete and other non-porous surfaces don't have the ability to filter pollutants. Your finished filter should look a little something like this. Now let's test our system. Make a prediction for what you might see when you pour your water into your filter. What do you think is going to happen? Place a bowl beneath your water filter to catch your water. Take your gunky, mucky water, the more polluted the better, and pour it through the top of your filter. Watch as your water moves through each layer and comes out of the bottom. Does your water look different? Practice your observation skills and share what you've noticed with a friend or an adult.
Very own groundwater filtration system. Try it at home and see what happens for you. And next time you're near the South Platte, see if you can find the different layers of the ground that filter the water that enters our rivers. When you're done, make sure to snap a picture and upload it to Facebook or Instagram and #LearningSpree. Thanks for joining us for DIY water filters. Check out our Just for Kids website for more fun activities that you can do in local parks or right in your backyard. And keep an eye out for more crafts and experiments. We'll see you next time on SPRE TV.